Alright, so in this video, let's look into creating our first funnel that is part of our website, which is groundbreaking. It's an amazing way to sell and do promotions within your online store. So anything that you do, like campaigns or sending emails or doing Facebook ads or Google ads, whatever you're doing, you can do with sales funnels. So you can click on the funnels button. There you'll see if you have any funnels already created in your website. So you can toggle between websites and funnels. And in this case, the template comes with a funnel, but let's create a new one to see the process. You can click on create a funnel. You can see all the designs for sales funnels and choose the one that fits the most what you're trying to do. Let's say that we like this design and we can just click on it, add a name to it. Let's call it sales funnel 1. And that's it. We just added a sales funnel to our website. And as you can see, it comes again with your header and your footer of the website, which you can actually hide. So if you don't want to have any distractions, and that's actually the idea behind a funnel, is to have no distractions, to be fully focused on actually the flow. So they will see the product page and they like the product and they continue with the next step and the next step and the next step, instead of going outside of your funnel. So if you want, you can just hide your header, hide your footer, and everything is all about your product and actually purchasing this product. So here we're just hitting it, so you can customize again the design fully with your mouse, with your you can add different blocks if you want, delete sections. Let's say you don't want to have this area, you can just delete it and have different one. So you can customize what kind of a product page you would have. And it is here to capture the attention about this particular promotion that you're running. Then you have the checkout. Again, from the button for the funnels, you can see what kind of pages you have inside your funnel. Then we have the checkout, which is a checkout where again you have the header and the footer, which you can hide, so there is no distraction. People go here, land here, and the only thing they need to do is to actually purchase the product. So you can again double click and pre-select which product you'll be selling. So let's say that we are selling this product. Great, and that's it. You can also add let's just add a bump offer as well, so you can see how it actually looks here too. We're selling this product. That is added in the order summary. Here it is, the product being added, and we can click on save changes. Again, we can see what kind of pages we have here, and in this case we also have even a pop-up for terms and conditions that you can have. The great thing about the sales funnels is that first of all you can A/B test your pages. So you can A/B test your product page, you can A/B test your checkout, you can experiment with different things to see what converts the most people. So this is a so invaluable way of doing it, because you actually can learn things about your traffic and what they like and optimize the sales funnel based on that, something that you cannot do almost anywhere. Then you can add a custom upsell or downsell when somebody submits a payment for this product. And you can do it by clicking on add an upsell or downsell, and you can select if you want it to be a page or a pop-up. For this example, let's be a pop-up. Here are a few designs for upsells and downsells. Let's say this one. And you can start customizing this pop-up by first, of course, selecting what kind of a product you'll be selling in this one. So let's say product 3. You can have a custom price for this product. Let's say it's only $9.90, or if you don't override it, that will be the price that the product would actually cost that you have set it up in the store. So here you can add some other customizations of what the buttons would say. For example, you can of course edit your information here. So this is again all information that you can customize with your builder. This is just a pop-up that you can fully adjust yourself however you like. And again, this pop-up will show only when a successful payment is made here, asking them to purchase this product with just a simple click. They will purchase this product without having to enter their information again. And then we finish with a thank you page. So after they submit a payment, they will go to the thank you page, and that's it. That completes the whole sales funnel process. So let's actually link this funnel with a button on our website. So let's say here we have some kind of a limited deal that we have. We can link it to a funnel. So you select funnels and you select which funnel. Here we have them called funnel in both cases, but yeah, the second one in our case is the one that we want to link to. Here we can see actually the funnel, so we can actually change the name to the funnel or to something else from the settings to be, let's say, funnel 2. So that would be an easy way to know which funnel we're linking to. So funnel 2 in this case we have. And we can click on Save Changes. Never forget to save your changes when you do some customization to the pages. And then let's look into the site, and you can see the whole website that we have created, of course, and the button that goes to the sales funnel that we just created. As you can see, no distractions, no header, no footer, everything is focused on this product that we are selling. So when they click on this button, they will go to the next one, which is the checkout that we just customized with this product, where we have to select the variation. Here are, let's say, a red M color and size, and then we have the bump offer. If you want to add to the order, we can see the bump. We can continue, we can add our address, your city, your zip code, continue, the information here as well, and we'll complete the order. And as you can see, the first thing that they would also see is actually the upsell. So this is the one-click upsell that you can either decline or you can accept. That would be added automatically, updating the order with this product that you are trying to upsell them. Click on Purchase Now, go to the thank you page, and the completion of the purchase has happened. So we can go and actually preview the funnel, and you can see we're now into the funnel that we have created. So here we have the traffic that went through our funnel. We can see on which step how much we have generated as revenue. You can see the visitors information, analytics. You can see the sales that has happened and the overall sale, that is $75.90. You can see if you have any subscriptions. In this case, one of the products was actually a subscription, so you can see that it is a subscription with a new MRR happening, and you can see the upsells and the bump offers here. So we have 100% success rate because we have 1 out of 1 upsell that was shown and purchased, and we have 1 bump offer, which was the option that we added also to the product purchase. So it's very straight, right away information about what has happened inside that funnel alone. You can see the order with all the information there. So you can actually see that one is a bump. This is the icon for a bump, and this is the icon for an upsell. So that is very clear for you when you preview your orders, what was what in that purchase flow. So you can see the upsell and the bump offer being shown here. You can see the products that you have sold and what kind of percentage of the revenue that would be. Plus you can see the top performance here, which is the user that has purchased, and they came from this source and campaign. This is all being stored from the previous video maybe you have seen, where we have created a unique URL that is tracking the sales, and this is also kept for the user because we know that this person came from that UTM sources and campaign. So this is very cool way to track that information. And yeah, this is how simple it was, and you can see one order, 100% conversion because we have one visitor with one order happening here. It's really cool and easy way to create campaigns inside your website. It is so powerful, and it's just so much better than just having a landing page or sending people directly to a product page of your website, because it doesn't really have a flow. You cannot really see this information that detailed like we did. And you cannot do like A/B testing. You cannot really have the full freedom of customization of the whole process, flow, upsells, like in a sales funnel. And all this data is also stored inside your store analytics, the store dashboard. You can see for the whole website or for a specific funnel. So the funnel that we just had the purchase on, you can just filter from here, and you can see the sales once again, all this data that was inside the funnel, you can see it here as well. So it's so simple yet extremely powerful for creating sales funnels, online stores, and most importantly, they both working together as one. The power of the sales funnels and the store. I hope that you enjoy it, and yeah, let us know what you think.